Hello everyone, welcome back to one another video. This is Krishna Ghosh, and today in this video we have shared new job vacancy for all the diploma holders. You have already completed your diploma engineering from the any background like mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, either computer science and engineering. So this video is very special for you because in this video I have shared a new job vacancy and the company name is Amphenol India Private Limited. This company is located in Bangalore location. Not only for the Bangalore location, this is also located in this is a MNC company, so located in various location. But at that moment, for the Bangalore plant, Amphenol India Private Limited hiring diploma, ITI and BTech holders. If you have already completed your ITI degree, 2 years ITI electrician and fitter, either the any relevant same department, either diploma mechanical, electrical, electronics, telecommunication, computer science and technology engineers are eligible for this post. So basically before starting the video I have shared some basic information about this video. So this is a MNC company and this company basically produce different types of electrical and electronics related components, and the mainly component production unit is automotive industries, broadband, commercial, aerospace and defense industries. So I want to show you something relevant product about the some sensor and related, some small product, datacom related, mobile devices related and mobile communication network related, some connectors are produced from this company. So at that moment they are finding some people around 18 to 31 years, that is the age limit, and salary male and female both eligible, and salary is 25,000 per month. You have you have completed your diploma degree, then from the starting days you can getting 25,000, that is your CTC. But if you have already not complete your diploma, you have just complete your ITI degree, then you are getting around 24,000 CTC. Or diploma and BTech holder salary are same, basically working in production, manufacturing, engineering departments and operate machine equipments and different types of product assembly related work you are doing. And during duty hours company provided the fooding facilities. Within 10 to 15 days the company needs you, and the job location is Bangalore Electronic City. Work environment is very good because only for the 8 hours duty time, and during duty hours company provided a very good quality of food. So if you are interested for doing job, I have already telling you that the particular these branches students are eligible, basically electrician, ITI fitter, diploma electrical, electronics and telecommunication, TIFLE electrical and electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and technology, and also information technology students you can apply for this particular company. BE and BTech holders also getting the same salary, but the department will not the different anyone. You can getting the 25,000 CTC. Very light work and totally AC plant, proper city location plan. Only for the total 20 vacancies, male are 5 and 15 are 15 vacancies for the female candidate. Freshers and experience both candidate are eligible. So now I want to show you some salary details about this company. So they are providing the 25,000 per month CTC. After deduction the PF and ESI, around 22,000 amount will be credit in your account. 1,600 that is your PF and ESI deduction, and other some expenses also deducted from your CTC. But 8 hours rotational shift, 26 days working, no work no pay system, company finding you. So if you want to know the more information about this vacancy, then join our WhatsApp channel and you can follow our Telegram channel also. And if you have more any queries regarding this vacancy, then you can call our official number. Our organization name is Educare Skill Academy. We are operate our all operation from our West Bengal location. But in this video, if you can watch in anywhere in the India, then you can connect with us. We are provided the placement all over India basis, and also provided the West Bengal location jobs also provided from our end. So our contact details also I have mentioned here, and you can follow me our Instagram page and YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel name is How Can I Help You. So I hope in this video you can enjoy the entire session, and if you are interested for doing this job in this particular company, then don't waste the time, just connect with us and complete your registration process as soon as possible because vacancy is very limited. Thank you.